Well, I'll be really honest, it's not often I get this excited about something, but my word, this month's subscription box absolutely just knocks it out of the park, right? If you love flowers, if you want to make your own beautiful flowers like these ones here that you see, can you see that where we've got the beautiful little buds? If you want to learn how to form your own flowers that look lifelike and realistic like this, then this is absolutely the kit for you, because subscription box number 13 is all about flower forming, right? So let me show you, this is the box. Now, everything you need, as always with these subscription boxes, comes in the box. But with this one, it's all about learning this new technique. So can you see, you've got the beautiful finishing pieces, we've got the foam in here, we've got the dies, we've got templates, we've got papers, we've got the stamens to go in the centre. But most importantly, more so with this one than any other one, you're going to want to watch our little educational videos, because this is a new technique and it's all about learning how to do that. So let's have a look. Let's get it opened and have a little look inside. So, as always, very grateful for you being in our subscription program. When we open this up, you'll start to see all the components that we have. So, all of these are your stamens. So when we talk about stamens, it's all about these little parts in the centre. Can you see there? So you've got those lovely little finishing pieces in the centre of your flowers. Whether you're using the dark green ones, whether you're just wanting to do little tiny flowers like these here that just have those little stamens in the centre, that is what your whole box of stamens is going to do. So you get tons of the stamens to get you going, okay? We've also got the finishing pieces like the gems. So the gems will go in the centre of all of your flowers like this here to just add that finishing touch. So we've got the beautiful gems in there as well. Also, obviously a lot of your cards are going to be finished with ribbon. So we've done an assorted pack of ribbon so that you've got ribbon to just finish off all of these cards. No matter what type of flower you've made, everything looks even better with a little bit of ribbon to work with to go with it, okay? Then we start getting into the exciting stuff. So these are the dies that you need. Now these dies will make every different type of flower I've shown you. So it's all about, in my first video, I'm going to show you these type of flowers here, where we just have that little bit of a raise. And I'll let you have a look on the overhead camera at these, because you'll be able to see, there we go, you've got the raise. Now, it's these type of flowers, but then also those same dies make these type of flowers that you've seen here. It's all just about curling the petal in a slightly different way. Now, if you want to curl the petal in a different way again, what about taking it to the next level and curling them up and round like these type here? This again, all done from that same set of dies, and you can see the different sizes that we've got to work with. So this is going to come from them lovely little tiny mini ones, but then the large flowers here, you can see will come from the larger size, and the leaves all come from the leaf die that's included. So that one set of dies even does you these beautiful kind of rounded up flowers. So all these types of flowers are all created from that same set of dies, and we'll show you this in the education. So the dies are really critical to the whole component. So we've got the dies. Then you've actually got a box template in here, because I thought, wouldn't it be lovely to be able to make different sizes of boxes to decorate with your flowers? So you've got the box template in here, and then you'll see every one of these cards has a lovely one of these little finishing touches. This is the finishing touches part. So if I open this up, look how many sheets that you've got here. And we've done the foiling in gold, we've done the foiling in silver. If I just turn around here, we'll go and show you these. You can see all the different finishing touches, and we've done different tag shapes so that they're going to work with all of your different cards. So loads of sheets, loads of sentiments for you to work at, okay? Then we're including 18 cards and envelopes in the pack. So you've got the cards and the envelopes to go with it in 3 different sizes of your cards. Then we get onto the foam. Now the foam is very, very important. And if I open it up, I want you to see the different colours that we've got here, because you're getting all these sheets ready to get you started. And of course, if you want to come back and get more of the foam, once you've got the dies, once you've learned how to do it, you're going to become hooked on this foam. It really is a fabulous quality foam designed specifically for this technique. So you're getting all these sheets, and we've cut it into 8x8 really to fit it into the box, but you're only going to use small parts, and actually your dies will cut through multiple layers at once, and you'll see that when you watch some of the demonstrations. So you get all of the foam, then we do a whole pack of coloured cardstock in here and a whole pack of papers. And again, it's just about having all of the component pieces to be able to finish off all of your projects with some beautiful florals in here. Whether it's the boxes, whether it's the cards, whether you're doing a bit of scrapbooking, we've given you a nice assortment in here. So there really is everything to get you started. Now, talked a little bit about the education. I want to walk you through again exactly what it is that we're going to be teaching you in this month's box, because I know for a lot of you, as it was for me, this will probably be a new technique. You might not have tried flower forming before, and basically to achieve these formations of the flowers, if I show you them again, it's all about learning how to shape the petals, and it's about heating up the foam. So you die cut the foam, then we're going to heat it, then we're going to just shape it, whether it's just on the edges, whether we put a little bit of a curl into it, like what we've done here, or whether we put a stronger curl, so this one's got an even stronger curl in it, and once it's cooled back down, it sets at its new formation, or whether you want to take it a really long way. So this one here, you can see that beautiful curl in there. That is all done because it's this special form which you're going to heat up, shape, and then it's going to hold in place. So what we're going to teach you, okay, I'm going to start off teaching you the very, very basics. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this card, how to do the basic flower cutting and foam formation. Then you're going to join Craig and the rest of my team are going to walk you through taking that to the next level. So Craig's going to show you how to do the boxes. It's going to show you how to use that box template and how to do some of the more advanced flower forming. He's going to walk you through how to do the crinkle effect flowers on here. And actually, it's not just about the videos, because when you see all of the inspiration that our designers have made, that really is about taking it to the next level.